Hello, children. Today we have a reading session in which we'll be reading this small story or a chapter from the literature book. You have got this little literature book, my little book of literature, right? So we are going to read this chapter number 5 from this book. This reading session is basically to focus on your reading skills only. So I will read this chapter for you once and then you will try reading it. Okay, let's get started. The magic seed. Magic seed. Raju is the name of a boy. Raju was a little boy. One day, Amma means mother, gave him a mango. Raju ate, A-T-E, ate the mango. It was very sweet. Appa asked him. Appa means father. Appa asked, ask and ed, asked him to plant the seed. Raju dug a hole, H-O-L-E, hole. He put the seed in the hole. So we are going to learn a story too over here, that Raju's little boy, one day his mother gives him a mango to eat. When Raju has finished eating mango, which was very sweet, his father asks him to plant that seed. So what Raju did, he dug a hole and he put the seed into the hole. So let's read further. He covered, C-O-V-E-R, covered, E-D, covered the seed with soil, S-O-I-L, soil. Appa helped Raju. Appa said, S-A-I-D, said to Raju, water it every day. Soon you will see magic. After a few days, a baby plant came out of the soil. Raju said, look at the baby plant. Appa, is this the magic of the mango seed? Appa said, wait, W-A-I-T, wait and see. There is more magic, more magic. The little plant began, B-E-G-A-N, began to grow. It grew very big. It grew for many years. Raju was a big boy now, N-O-W, now. The little plant grew into a big tree. Raju said, a small seed has become a big tree. That is the magic. Appa said, wait, W-A-I-T, wait a little more. There will be more magic. It was a lovely day in the month, M-O-N-T-H, month of March. Raju woke up early, E-A-R-L-Y, early. He looked out of the window. The mango tree was full of small flowers. Oh, look at the flowers, Appa. This is the magic, said Raju. Once, ONCE, once again. Once again, Appa said, wait a little, there will be more magic. One day, Raju saw, SAW, saw more magic. There were tiny green mangoes on the tree. The mangoes slowly grew big and yellow. Appa said, Raju, call your friends. The mangoes are ripe. We can eat them now. Raju and his friends ate the mangoes. They were sweet and juicy, Juicy. Juicy. This is the magic of a seed, said Appa. Now let us plant the seeds of these mangoes. So, this is a beautiful story. Now, here we saw that Appa helped Raju to plant a seed. So, Appa said to Raju, you have to water it every day and then you will see a magic. Then, after a few days, a baby plant came out. Then Raju said, Papa, this is the magic, a baby plant came out. Appa said, no, wait, there will be more magic. Then the little plant started growing, it became a tree. The boy also grew, he became a big boy. Then Raju said, Appa, that the small plant has become a tree. This is the magic. Appa said, no, wait little more, you will see more magic. Then one day he saw flowers on the tree. He said, Papa, this is the magic. Again Appa said, no, wait, more magic will come. Then Raju saw tiny green mangoes, and those mangoes started turning into yellow and becoming bigger. Then Raju said, oh, this is the magic. Then Appa said, Raju, call your friends, the mangoes are ripe and you can eat them. Then Raju and his friends ate the mangoes, which were very sweet and juicy. So now Appa said, this is the magic of a seed. So now let's plant all these seeds of the mango. So what a beautiful story. Now let's do this little exercise. Appa gave Raju a mango. No. You have to write yes or no. Appa asked Raju to water the seed. Yes. The seed grew into a tree. Yes. Raju saw big flowers on the tree. Yes. What do you call your father and mother? Discuss with your partner and fill in the table. What do you call your mother or father? You can write over here. And don't forget to read this story. You will enhance your reading skills by reading these stories every day. I tell you, you must read this story today. Okay, that's all for today. Take care.